I just got done work and opened up my mailbox and I got another part for the car. This is something that BMW should just put in all their cars, even the base models, because it's honestly inexpensive and it's pretty easy to install. So let's open it up and see what it is. Yeah, and there they are. They're basically the door lights inserts. They come with these, let me see, do they come with, yeah, they come with little adapters that connect to the stock M4s, and I'm pretty sure every BMW series connections. So you just use these. Here, let me open it up so it's easier for you guys to see. The only thing is it doesn't tell me which side goes where. Oh, but you can rotate them. Oh, okay, never mind. That's cool. It's a plug and play thing, so I got a screwdriver, put some tape around it so I don't damage the car, even though you're not going to see it. Still, I'm the type of person that if I know there's something there, it will be bugging the hell out of me. So let's get to installing it. There's a little tab here. Do that, and it just comes right out. So boom, that's done. Now we unplug it gently. Also make sure you look inside here, because just like this, it only has 2 pins. I don't know why they have like 4, but it's only good for 2. So let's see, where was it? Right here, I believe. There we go. I'll just pop it back in. Shove it away. Yep. So the hardest part of the install is to pop it back in. But once it's in, that looks super good. Once it's nighttime, I'm definitely going to show you guys again what it looks like. But damn, I think it looks awesome just from looking at my hand. At nighttime, I know it's going to look better. Stock ones are just plain LEDs, but they're yellow LEDs, so it was kind of ugly anyways. This is going to be a nice, let me see, yep, white with the 3M colors, so it's definitely going to be a lot better. For 10 bucks, I definitely think BMW should have just put those instead of these. These are probably also 10 bucks, and they're super, like, ugly, in my opinion. There's the part number if any of you guys wanted it. I'll leave a description for you guys where to buy these lights at. They were about 10 bucks. So let's just wait for it to get darker and I'll show it to you guys. But here's the last install, the canards, or the fangs, whatever you want to call them. They are growing to me so much. They look so damn good. The car looks so much more aggressive. I definitely like these a lot. One of my favorite mods. I do want to get these in carbon fiber, but since the car is fairly low and I want to go lower, it's definitely gonna mess the carbon fiber up. The carbon fiber might actually crack, so I'm thinking about just getting like a polyurethane one and painting it gloss black to match the grills. So it actually might not be that bad, but definitely wish I could get the carbon fiber ones. But Philly streets are just horrible.
6 hours later.
Okay, so it's super dark now. Can only see my house. Let's see, coming up to the door. Boom. That looks super awesome. Holy crap, I like that a lot. Yeah, at night it's a lot brighter. In the daytime you couldn't see anything, but at night that looks super cool. For $10, come on guys, you really can't go wrong with this. You really have to have this. This is a super cool mod.